Hello students, I am Parvesh Kumar from Golden Public School, Muzaffarnagar. Today in this video, I am going to explain chapter 4 from the diary of Anne Frank of class 10th English book. Dear students, in this video, I am going to tell you the introduction of the chapter and the detailed summary of the chapter. I think this will be helpful to you. So let us start from the introduction of the chapter. Dear students, introduction of the chapter. Anne Frank was Jewish girl. Dear students, this extract is taken from the book The Diary of a Young Girl, which is the autobiography of Anne Frank, who was a Jewish girl. So here in introduction, I have already mentioned here Anne Frank was Jewish girl. Okay, she was born in Germany on June 12, 1929. Okay, students, she wrote while in hiding with her family. Why she was hiding with the family? Because she was a Jewish girl. She lived in Germany, and at that time Germany was under the control of Nazis. They hated Jews. They were killing Jews. That is why she was hiding with her family. Okay, students? They fear of persecutions by the Nazis. That is why they were hiding. Okay, student? Because they were fear of tortured by the Nazis. Okay, so her father Otto returned to Amsterdam to find Anne's diary after her death in 1945. Okay, student, when the war was ended, his father was the only one member of his family who survived in that war. Okay, and he returned to Amsterdam to find Anne's diary after her death. He got it published. That means her father got it published in English under the title The Diary of a Young Girl. Okay, student, the diary includes the record of the events of her life or Anne's life from June 1942 to August 1944. It is originally written in Dutch language. Okay, student, it is originally written in Dutch language, but his father got it published in English. Okay, student, this lesson in our class 10th book, the lesson from the diary of Anne Frank, is an extract from Anne's diary. Okay, student, it shows us Anne's used the diary as if it were her friend. She records her opinion about different people around her life in general. The diary also provides an insight into her own nature. Okay, student. So we can say this chapter is taken from the Anne Frank's autobiography. Okay, and it tells us about the Anne, about the incidents which took place in her life between 1942 to 1944. Okay, students, let us see the detailed summary of the chapter to understand the chapter. Okay, yes, the summary is divided into subtitles. I will explain the each and every title to you. Just the first one, Anne's feeling about diary. Yes, under this title or in this title, we are going to read about her feelings about the diary. Okay, student, Anne writes her diary. She feels that doing so is a strange experience for one like her. It is so because she has not written anything earlier. When she started writing diary, she was excited. she feels that doing so or writing a diary is a stress experience for her. Okay, secondly, no one would be interested in reading something written by her as she is in a small car. When she started writing, she thought that no one would be interested in reading something written by her as she is a small girl. Okay, so she starts writing diary. Yes, the next title writes a diary. One day, Anne felt a bit depressed. She was depressed. Okay? She felt that paper has more patience than people. This is to be noted, student. Yes, paper has more patience than people. Okay? She was wondering whether to stay in or go out. She was in dilemma whether she stay in or go out. So finally she stayed in and thought. Okay, because she was depressed, she could not decide whether stay in or go out, but finally she stayed in and thought. She felt that she would not let anyone read her diary unless she found a real friend. She started writing diary, but she felt that she would not let anyone read her diary unless she found a real friend. So she wrote a diary. Okay, students, when she was depressed, she needed someone with whom she could share her thought, but she had no real friend, so she decided to write a diary. Okay, now let us see what she start writing in the diary. Okay, the next topic is writing about her family. Okay, in the starting she wrote about her family. Okay, student, she wrote that she was not she was not completely alone in the world, but she had loving parents and a 60-year-old sister. Okay, students, she had a 16-year-old sister also. She had about 30 people around her and she could call friends. She tells us in her diary that she had parents, a 16-year-old sister. She had about 30 people around her to whom she could call friends, but she did not have a real friend with whom she could share her thought. Then she had a family, aunts, a good home, but she had no true friend. She thought of having a good time when she was with friend, but she could not get closer. She could not get closer. Okay, students, she admitted it her fault that she could not confide in each other. Since they were not liable to change, she started writing a diary. She made it her friend. Okay, students, she had everything. She had parents. She had aunt. She had a sister. She had about 30 people around her. But she had not a real friend with whom she could share her thought. So she decided to write diary. Okay, students. The next point, diary named as Kitty. Brief sketch of life. Okay, student, as I have already told to you, she start writing diary because she had no a true friend. So she started sharing her thought with the diary. And that is why the diary was her real friend. So she gave a name to diary and she named her diary Kitty. Okay, dear students, she wanted the diary to be her friend. She named it as her friend Kitty. She wrote a brief sketch of her life. Though she disliked doing so, she wrote it. She wrote that her father married her 25-year-old mother at the age of 36. Her sister Margaret was born in Frankfurt in Germany in 1906. She wrote about her sister birth also. Okay, students. She was born on 12 June 1929. Okay. Her father immigrated to Holland in 1933. So we can say she wrote about her family. Her mother, Edith Hollander Frank, went with her father to Holland, but she and her sister were sent to Aachen to stay with their grandmother. She wrote about it also that her parents had went Holland, but she and her sister stayed with their grandmother. Okay, then they went to Holland later. Okay, students? Yes. The next topic, Annie's school. She also wrote about her school also in her diary. She wrote that there she was sent to Montessori Nursery School. She stayed there until she was 6. In the 6th class, her teacher was Mrs. Cooper's. The headmistress. Both had tears when they bade farewell. That means we can say Annie had a close relation with her teachers also. In school, she had close relations. As we can say, the headmistress, both headmistress and Annie herself had tears when they bade farewell. Okay? Reason for not writing the diary. Why she want not to write a diary? In the summer of 1941, her grandma fell ill. Okay, student. She have mentioned in her diary that in 1941 her grandma fell ill. She loved her grandma very much. She had to be operated upon. That means her grandma had to be operated upon. She died in January 1942. She thought of her greatly and she loved her still. They celebrated Annie's birthday in 1942. The four of them were doing well till 20 June 1942. Then Annie wrote her diary again. It was like this. That means here we can say that she loved her grandmother too much. When she fell ill, she had to be operated, and in January 1942, her grandmother died. At that time, she was depressed. She don't write diary, but on 20 June 1942, she again start writing diary. Okay, students? Just. Now about